everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And I hope you all had a happy Christmas holiday weekend. We're now into getting back to regular times. This is the week between Christmas and New Year's that you'll be seeing this. And I'm going to share with you a new box that this is the first one I've gotten. I don't know how to pronounce it. Trouvailles. Now, I've had problems getting this. I had joined it, I think, before I actually came down here. Okay, it's coming from Canada. And the address, it just wasn't coming, it wasn't arriving. So I finally sent them a message, and they right away checked it out and said, I put the wrong, what's it called, zip code. Instead of 85365, I have hit 98365 or whatever it was. Instead of 8, I put a 9. So they right away sent out another one, and it has come. So let's see what it is treats and treasures from around the world. So it says, ready for your next travel adventure? Let's open it up. Oh. Holidays around the world. So this is still their holiday one. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, it didn't look like I could read it. It's in a different language. Because the first word is, and the second word, and the third, fourth, fifth. Okay. No matter how you say it, and above, that's Turkish, Russian, Indonesian, Polish, and French. It's up here, and I can't read the first 2 lines. We'd like to wish you a very happy holidays from the Trouvailles team. Share your unboxing using hashtag TrouvaillesBox. Okay. Oh. This one is edition number 7. It's November 2021. He's on a camel. Where do you want to guess where it's from? It's the World Holiday Edition, which means it's stuff from all over the world, I guess. So they've got different recipes in here from all over the world. Let's get started. And they've got explanations for what everything is. This kind of reminds me of Universal Yums, yeah. So let's get started. I'm not sure if I'm going to open up the packages of eats, if you don't mind, because today's my birthday, and I've got cake, and I've got other, Christmas candy, and then we've got Christmas, and I've got all kinds of stuff from that, so we may save it. First off, what is this? Vulcan something. I don't know. What's it say? It says, Bulacan Buka Pandan Porveron from the Philippines. An annual holiday favorite in the Philippines. These cookies, are a crumbly and sweet traditional gift, combining a regional flavor, the classic Filipino dessert buko pandem, made with jelly cubes, young coconut, and sweetened cream, and Spanish polvorón shortbread. The result is an unforgettable blend of tropical and European flavors. I gotta try it. I'm sorry. It looks like they're individually wrapped, so at least it won't go stale. If I open it. Like I wouldn't finish something the day I got it. Cute. I've never been to the Philippines, and I don't really have a desire to go. We just love Europe so much. Okay. Ooh, real crumbly. Ooh. I'm sorry. Woo. Drawing my teeth now. Have you ever eaten really, really dry peanut butter? Kind of like that. I mean, it is really dry. I mean, I could hardly move my mouth. It got so dry. So, I'm going to have to give a... Sorry, people. Okay, then we've got... It doesn't matter what direction I put it. I can't read it anyway. Katarzinki. And that is... It says... From Poland. It's Kopernik Katarzinki gingerbread. Turin's gingerbread has put it on the map of European treats with an original recipe dating far back as 1763. While you'll surely gobble them up quicker than you can say Katarzinski, patience is a main ingredient of these chewy biscuits covered in chocolate, traditionally baked after a long dough maturation process. Okay, they say it's going to take a while. I'm not going to open this one yet. Then we've got Buccaneer. I can read that. From Jamaica, man. I'm going to Jamaica in a couple of weeks. It's an energy bar. 260 calories. Fruit rum cake. So it's slid in here. I don't know what this will be like. What's it say? Yeah, Jamaica. Jamaica rum is rightfully loved the world over for its rich taste and unique flavoring. If you ask us, the only way it could possibly be improved would be in cake form. Voila! Buccaneer rum cakes are buttery and sweet, perfect with ice cream, coffee, or why not, a tumbler of rum. We won't try this yet either. What we've got? What in the world? It's a Shelly Mahandi kit. It looks like a something you put like tattoos on you. From India. Mahandi is a traditional form of body painting for festive occasions in India, made from the dried leaves of the henna plant. More than just stylish body adornment, it plays an important role in celebrations, and its placement on the body carries spiritual meanings. Try some on your feet to connect your body, mind, and spirit to the earth. Here's a note. The tattoos gradually fade over time, usually lasting between 14 to 20 days. I think I'm going to pass. And I wonder if this is something that... Jamie, you interested in this kind of thing? Then we've got sparkling wine flavored premium potato chips. Pretty puffy. Let's see, I'm going to cut this open and let the air out. And I'll try one. Of course, the chips are all the way down here. Chip. Bad. What does it say about them? Oh, here they are. Torres sparkling wine potato chips from Spain. You may want to save this for New Year's Eve. Hear us out. These innovative combination of sparkling wine and sunflower oil cooked chips with a sprinkling of salted popping candy is a true winner. And what could possibly say gourmet snack, snack more than that? A perfect savory pairing with white wine, cava, or champagne. We promise you'll never think of chips the same way again. I don't know if this will make it to New Year's Eve. We'll probably use it on Christmas Day evening when we do our happy hour. Now, when you're seeing this posted, it's going to be past the time. Okay, now we've got, what in the world? Oh, it's a candle. Okay, I didn't know what it was. The things your mind will, tricks your mind will play on you. Okay, this is a Bangazi, hand-painted from South Africa. These stunning fair trade candles from South Africa are hand-poured and painted with patterns that reflect South African culture by female artists from the small village of Napier, N-A-P-I-E-R, did I say that right? East of Cape Town. Each taper is a one-of-a-kind work of art and will burn jolly and bright for 10 hours. Interesting. Keep that. Oh, here's another. Pawelic Advocat. That one. It's our birthday. To celebrate our first year anniversary, we treated all early bird subscribers with a bonus item. This is a Weddell dark chocolate bar with Advocat filling from Poland. As Poland's oldest chocolate brand, Weddell has been manufacturing some of the country's favorite sweets for over 150 years, flavored with Advocat, which is a sweet egg and vodka Dutch liqueur similar to eggnog. Sounds good. It almost sounds like it'd be like a nougat flavor. These boozy bars are a regional Polish specialty. Okay, we'll say that. Then we have, oh, that's cute. Lucy would like this on her tree. Isn't this cute? Cute little ornament. Let's see, what's it say? What's it say? Oh. This is a Sizzle angel ornament from Kenya. That's where our little boy we support is in Kenya. This fair trade certified handcrafted ornament is made from plant fibers from the Sizzle plant and banana tree by women in villages near the town of Kitui, Kenya. Utilizing dried offcuts that would typically be discarded, this method of sustainable production results in beautiful one-of-a-kind works of art, perfect for the holiday season. Go on Lou's tree. Then, this last thing, make sure it's the last thing. Oh, these are more ornaments. Let me open it then. Cute. We only have like a little 3-foot tall tree in the motorhome, so we always look for little ornaments. There's some more. There's one, 2, and 3. I don't know if I'll put them on the tree this year because we're gonna start taking it down because say we've got to get ready for our trip and we've got to get everything down and put away. So these are from Sweden. Handmade traditional straw ornaments from Sweden. Scandinavian holiday decor is never complete without these rustic, eye-catching straw ornaments. They refer to an ancient tradition of decorating farm gates, but sheaves of wheat to feed the area's winged population known as the remembrance of the birds. And as a bonus, they're perfect for kids and won't break when dropped on the floor, that's for sure. So that's it. What you think? And then they got an advertisement on the back of the brochure thing for a Santa movie, or maybe Bob and I will check that out. It's called Get Santa from 2015, made in the United Kingdom. We love to stream TV shows from the UK. And there's one called Ushpizin, USHPIZIN, made in 2004 in Israel. Oh, you may check those out. So what you think? I'll put what I paid for this up on here when I edit it. I would like to have your comments, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you all are having a great holiday season. I love you all. Bye.